Just sitting here getting our Tyler Walker meds today. Oh yeah, we're opening up that pill bottle bowl. We're just having a good old off day here in Huset, South Dakota. I don't even call it Brandon. It ain't Brandon. It's Huset's. We're having a little off day drinking an energy drink, and we weren't drinking energy drinks. I'm trying to come back. You know what I'm saying? I'm trying to resurrect myself. Because about 2 hour and a half ago, I was like, I'm going to start tipping on some cups. I'm going to have an off day. And what do you do on an off day here in Sioux Falls, South Dakota? You go over here and you pick up that old Tyler Walker pill bottle. You know what I'm saying? Mm-hmm. Oh, my. You testosterone gel? So what, do you put it like around the butthole or something? What do you mean? You gel her up and put her in? Come on now. What the fuck? Oh my Lord, it be. Alright, so testosterone, maybe people need it in their life. Why or what reasons?
Video in case somebody else.
Yeah, this is. So what's the symptoms? Maybe I need to put something on my butthole.
It doesn't go on your butthole.
It doesn't?
No.
Damn it. Alright, never mind. Me and David will save it for another day.
Yeah.
Continue.
Save it for your bananas.
Okay, alright, frozen with nuts on them.
So I didn't even know I needed it. I went to my doctor. You know, I was feeling depressed sometimes, a little lack of energy, gaining some weight. And she said, I bet your testosterone levels are low.
That's what a girl doctor, woman doctor.
A woman doctor.
It sounds like a woman, not a girl.
She's actually the head doctor, chief medical doctor of the whole place is my doctor. Anyways, she said, well, let's get it checked. I said, well, how do we do that? Simple blood draw. Drew the blood, got my levels back. And I had the levels of like a 70-year-old man.
Really?
I'm 45. So she put me on testosterone. It's a gel. I apply it once a day. It took me about a month or 2 months, and I started getting a little bit more pep in my step, less brain fog, getting more done at work, more focus. There are some downsides, though. You got to go back in and get checked. It can make your blood thick.
Okay.
So that you don't want your blood thick.
You gotta have like some.
And what you also need to watch out for is see your doctor. They have all these pop-up shops like male strength places. It's kind of like a fad.
Right. Yeah, like people trying to make money on it.
Yeah, and they'll just prescribe it to anybody, and you shouldn't be taking it without a physician
prescribing it.
Yeah.
Okay.
It's not.
But you've noticed a huge difference since putting the gel in the butthole.
Not on the shoulders.
On the shoulders.
Yeah, I wouldn't say life-changing difference, but noticeable enough that I keep on the regimen.
Nice.
Yeah.
So it's like vitamins for you.
Probably more than vitamins because it's
the effect.
Yeah.
Nice. Here's what I would say for all this shit that he's fucking spewing out of his mouth. And this is why I don't eat pork. You are what you eat. So all these men have testosterone issues, blah 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 blah, all this stuff. It's a fact, like you say. Everybody's down on their levels. I think it's because of how they treat the animals in the farm. I think it's because of how they treat pigs, in particular. If you're a high pork consumer, they use anti-testosterone drugs on the pork, on the pigs, to keep them from being wild. Wild boar is very wild. So once again, I think, yeah, maybe the medical industry is curing this issue, but there's a lot of things they're putting into the cows, into the pork, into the pigs, into the chickens, that once they grow them and they're just trying to turn around and make money on your fucking ass, and they send it out here in McDonald's and all this fucking trash ass shit, and then you eat it. You are what you eat. The greatest example of what I'm talking about is black bears in a certain region of the country. They eat berries, yes, and their fat literally turns to purple because they eat the fucking berries. So yes, if you feel this way, maybe you do need the testosterone gel. But the question that the pharmaceutical industry don't want to fucking tell you about, or the answer, is how you got there in the first fucking place. I think it's because of a horrible food system, a horrible factory farming system, the things they're putting out to us for profiteering purposes. They give us the disease to then sell us something to cure it. Fuck these motherfuckers, and that's all I gotta say. Yeah? No? Yeah. You could be, let's go RFK, fucking clean it up.